In this video, just wanted to show the photodiode. I find it really interesting. One very simple sketch I did was trying to mimic, let's say if you have a curtain, and depending if it's getting darker, you would like your curtains to close by itself, and as the sun rises, the curtain will open. I find a servo being the best thing, as you can go from 0 to 180 degree. You'll see that I've leveraged again the map function for this. So let's say it's getting dark. So this servo closes. I know it's twitching because it's not perfect. Like my finger's not like the darkest thing ever. And as the sun rises, the curtain opens. If you're running a servo, I would suggest you don't run the positive directly through the Arduino in case there's an overload. It's okay to put the negative, but your power source should be external always.